guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking Pacific lock, PACLOCK, made in the USA. Got this off Bosnian bill a long time ago, picked it a few times but never videoed it because I've only just found it a couple of days ago in one of my boxes. It says 103 on the front. I think Bill put that on there, that's the bitting on the key. But on the bow of the key it says PACLOCK PR2. Not sure if you're going to see that. I'll add a couple of photographs afterwards. Key working nicely. It's quite tight to turn, but once it snaps open it's obviously very loose. Locked up, so I'll go getting it open. I've not done a video in ages due to being so busy at work, so I thought I'd do one today. Start the back work to the front if I can get in. I adjust the tension every now and again with this. It's jammed up a little bit. It's picking for you. Try again. To the back. Here's little movements on the plug. Just drops off a little bit there. It took its time from getting the picking and tension wrench. So that's the Pacific long shackled padlock, or PACLOCK padlock, the single pin picks. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please please keep it legal.